Welcome to the drama.
Do you want your damn girlfriend to come? Do you? Then quit being mean to your sister.
Sometimes I'm wrong and sometimes it was Izzy.
Scoot over as far as you can.
I can't.
That was a whole another 3 inches. Scoot over.
She can literally scooch over. Pretty much.
Ready to go camping?
My husband locked the door and now we can't put the Scotch toilet paper inside.
They made a toilet paper commercial.
More drama.
Izzy, literally don't cause drama.
I literally am scooted over.
You're not.
Yeah, you scoot over. You
I just think your ass is more precious than everyone else's. Logan, where are you sitting? In the fucking trunk? Is that fine? All right.
I need a Dodge
Well,
Caravan.
I'm glad that we got. Is everybody good?
Yeah. I can fall. I'll sit.
My husband baiting all of his little niece's pulls. How sweet. Taking me off to the side because it was so much. Loving on me so delicately. The water, something about it gives me peace.
Ooh, I sealed.
He's wore the same shoes for 3 summers, but we've all had whatever we want. He's my true beauty in life. Nothing feels better than his arms around me. I'm really blessed to be part of this big, huge family.
Izzy, do you want a piece of cheese?
Most people don't eat ketchup on everything like us.
Us hillbillies eat ketchup on everything.
I need 4.
But first, food. I bet that water's about 53 degrees. Izzy seems to be the only smart one. Just saying. You're so welcome for this.
Got it on video. Got it on video.
You're disgusting.
The sound was clearly directed out of your ass.
Not me gaslighting him. Look at that fat ass fish you caught.
Yeah.
That is fuck. Can't wait to hear the story you tell about this one.
It was a fawn.
The attack bird's coming back.
He's really pretty, look.
Get his life back.
Goodbye, little fishy. Goodbye. My sister-in-law is pregnant with like her 10th kid. Isn't she cute? Honestly, her patience is like nobody I've ever seen. There's my other niece, Shy. I love her so much. She's sweet like her mama.
Sweetheart.
Nah, Stacy.
So quiet, so cute.
Stacy's the spicy sibling. That's what I admire most about her. I literally laid for hours while my husband fished today. I don't think I've heard the happiness of life in such a long time. I could lay there just to hear the sounds going on around me. But today, I admired him and all he's done for me. Oh fuck, campground bathrooms.
People like, get the fuck
Move!
out of my way. Get the fuck out of my way.
Beaver.
You beef at her.
There's a rim bike right there.
Bathroom dupe.
Bathroom dupe.
Izzy, shut your door. No door.
Izzy, shut your door.
I can't. There's someone else. There's no door to shut. Like, that's all I want. Sorry.
What are you guys reviewing this bathroom?
1 out of 0. Yeah.
Let me just dry my hands off since there's a fucking paper towel. We're not made for the outdoor life. Porta pots everywhere.
What did I do to my hair?
Dude. What do you think, Marley?
I think. Oh my god. Oh, the girl.
You get one? Ooh,
No, because why is this every bit of his luck? Dupe.
Well,
Almost.
there's another worm in, another piece of worm in this one over here.
He ain't putting that on.
Squirted on me twice. That's great.
Kids say the darndest things and don't even know it.
Fucking worm on the hook. Get it.
Logan's my bonus son.
You got it?
Took him all this time to put a little tiny half worm on a hook. We ended the day with Caden being the non-fish catcher.
Drama queen, 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 drama queen,